Hi, you live on Earth, which is the largest rock in the solar system, but there are bigger ones. Enough talking about rocks. I'm here to talk about trains. I like trains. You probably like trains. My friend likes trains. Everybody likes trains. So, how did we get here? Well, people have been thinking about trains for a long time. But it didn't exist for a while. The steam engines are the first type of train. But at first they were pulled by horses because they were the fastest thing they had at the time. No, said a guy whose last name was Stephenson. He thought, why can't I make a fast train? Said George Stephenson. Then he made Stephenson's rocket, which won a race. And it was the first thing to be faster than a horse. Take that, nature. Thus created the steam engine. Do 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 do. Bum bum. You know, you can actually see the Stephenson's rocket for yourself in England. Anyways, eventually, steam engines got pretty good at doing their job. There are steam engines from all over the world. But then, in 1837, something amazing happened. It was called an electric engine. It ran on batteries. Remember that. It'll be important soon. Then, we got the diesels. They were proved to be a lot better to work on than steam engines. Of course, not as cool looking. Anyways, they ran on oil instead of heat, which means that you didn't have to waste a bunch of room in the front so that you could see stuff easier. So yeah, diesels are the main form of transport. And let's check on the steam engines. A lot of them are being scrapped, but not all of them. There's this one called the Flying Scotsman. It's going 100 miles per hour. There's also the City of Truro, but we're not exactly sure about that. And this guy, his name's Mallard. He is also really fast. In fact, he's the fastest one out of the steam group. 126 miles per hour. That's pretty impressive. Anyways, it's World War I. Trains are being used. It's done. It's World War II. Trains are being used. And this guy, I really liked trains. He wanted to make a model for his sick son, but he didn't have enough money, so he made a smaller one. And when the war was over, he made a book series about that. More on that in a different video. Oh, hey, look, it's the 60s. There's a new fast train. Zoom! It's very fast. They've been built everywhere. Oh yeah. Hey, look, it's a Telluride Railway. With some very old engines. They're also kind of small. So yeah. That's about it. No, we're not done yet. Remember this guy? Well, his books actually turned into a TV show. More on that on different video. Oh, hey, look, it's more trains. Diesels, and they're being used for more common stuff. People are riding them. People have been riding it and them since the trains existed. Sorry, Christopher Blackett. He made the first successful train. And now it's the 21st century, and there are even more electric trains. And introducing the maglev train. It is so fast. It is powered by magnets. That's very impressive if you ask me. But trains that are steam engines specifically are still alive to this day. Don't believe me? Just go to the United Kingdom if you have time. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching my video.